Hi everyone, welcome to the Early On. I'm Danielle. We offer programs for children and their families from ages 0 to 6 in Brantford and Brant County. You might have some extra time with your kids these days, and you may want to do some science experiments at home. So why not get some milk and some dish soap and some food coloring and see
Q-tips.
Q-tips and see what you can do. Okay.
And get some plates.
So first you're going to get the milk and have your child pour it onto a plate.
I'm really I'm scared. Oh my god. All of it? Like, all around? Is that good?
Yep, that's enough.
Okay. Oh dear, I spilled it.
You want to do it, Colton?
I spilled.
Perfect.
Okay, I spilled mine. Can I do mine first?
Next you're going to have the children take the food coloring and pour it into the milk.
In different spots. Okay. Actually, no, okay. Okay, that's a lot full. Okay. Is that good?
Yep, that's enough. You don't need a lot.
That good?
Yeah.
Colton, you put a lot.
Once your children are done putting the food coloring into the milk, they're each going to take a droplet of dish soap and put it on the plate.
Okay, is it ready? In the middle?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
So
that
what,
was so cool!
what just happened, Mickey?
It just spread it apart.
It's the food coloring separated
And
from the soap.
look, it looks just like okay.
Oh,
Whoa!
yeah, that's all right.
My
Okay, so now
So
have your kids take the Q-tips and try to just like press the color and see what happens. Just
in each one?
make it different. You can use a different Q-tip, Mickey, too, if you want.
Mom, you can.
So Colton mixed all his together. So
Oh
he
my
made.
God.
What color did you end up making?
Gray.
Like a gray-green. So try and just press it and see what happens.
Look at that, Mommy.
So Mickey's is making different swirls. So it's milk art. It kind of looks like a stained glass window.
It looks really cool. Just by using one.
So all you need is milk, some dish soap, and some food coloring to try this experiment at home.